Spiritual maturity and perfection is a long path we have to travel working together, with a mutual consciousness. This is true spiritual growth for you, and this is how your life will be fully realized, and the whole world near you will be enlightened by your heart in love. This is the spiritual potentiality of the heart in love in every my son and daughter. This potentiality is in every person, and it is my desire for every person, but, with great power comes greater responsibility, and the greatest responsibility is for you to remain humble in yourself, to see that you grow spiritually, and in the quality of life compared to the rest of fallen humanity. You will have a great experience with me. In this long journey of yours, there will be a crazy and deeply in love communication between us, but you will always have to fight in yourself with the arrogance of Satan, who keeps telling you, as he did with Eve, that you will be like God, and afterwards you will be God, and you will change the world according to what you will experience, understand and live in your life, spiritually and religiously self-centered. In history, in the ever-deepening knowledge of me, what does not allow peoples and people to quickly end up in spiritual darkness and total spiritual madness is knowing how to maintain this humble position. Today, the spiritual growth of the world, in my new revelations and these my messages, in this time, is in an incredible period, and they are an incredibly good thing. My new revelations and messages in this time, because humanity can rise to an incredible level spiritually, but many steps still and growth are important and to be done for this world. The most important step in your life in the end is to arrive at the freedom to allow yourself, an individual understanding, especially in your heart from yourself of me. Day by day, moment by moment, the relationship with me is the ultimate truth and what everyone must seek. All the religious books, all the testimonies of historical people about me, of my children, pure and spiritually elevated, even if you memorize the whole Bible and divine principles, step by step, verse by verse, this will not help you personally open your heart to me. You can remember every moment, every single Bible or principle verse, in every moment and spiritual difficulty of your day and share it with others. In spite of that, it will not give you more, in spite of that, in heart knowledge and love of me. Indeed, all you can get is a mental knowledge of me, superficial or even false emotions of me. It is not this true knowledge of me that you need. This cannot be your life purpose and my creation purpose, but, above all, this is not the ultimate truth you need to know.